Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.39 from page number 71 of structure of atom, right? So let's read the statement. In Millikan's experiment, static electric charge on the oil drops has been obtained by shining X-rays. If the static electric charge on the oil drops is minus 1.282 into 10 raised to power minus 18 coulomb, calculate the number of electrons present on it, right? So there is an experiment, that is Millikan's experiment. And here on the oil drops we are having a static electric charge. That means temporary charge exists due to the imbalancing of positive and negative charge. Okay, so what you have done, you have simply strike X-rays on the oil drop. Okay, so due to which static electric charge on the oil drop appears equal to minus 1.282 into 10 raised to power minus 18 coulomb. Now the main question is that how many number of electrons are present due to which this total static electric charge exists, right? Here we have to find the number of electrons. So first of all we'll see the charge of one electron. That means you can write over here charge of one electron equal to minus 1.6022 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, right? Now we'll apply unitary method over here, that minus 1.6022 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb is the charge of electron equal to 1 electron. Now minus 1.282 into 10 raised to power minus 18 coulomb is the charge of electrons equal to this 1 electron should be in numerator divided by the first value on the left side, that is minus 1.6022 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb into this second value minus 1.282 into 10 raised to power minus 18 coulomb. I'll cancel this coulomb with this, right? Now here minus will cancelled with this minus. If you see, the unit is electron only and we have to find the number of electrons in this question. I'll rearrange the value. So 1 into 1.282, it will be 1.282 into 10 raised to power minus 18 divided by, I'll round up this value. Here I am having 0, that is less than 5. So I'll write 1.6 as it is, right? Into 10 raised to power minus 19 units electrons only. Now here if you see, this 10 raised to power minus 19 is negative in denominator. When I'll take this power in numerator, it will change its sign. So 1.282 into 10 raised to power minus 18 into 10 raised to power 19 divided by 1.6 and units electrons only, right? So when you will divide 1.282 with 1.6, your answer will be 0.80014. Now these two powers are in multiplication, so you can simply add them. 10 raised to power minus 18 plus 19 units electrons. Now 0. I'll round up this value. So here I'm having 0, that is less than 5. So I'll write 8 over here, right? So into 10 raised to power minus 18 plus 19, it will be 10 raised to power 1. That means here I'm having 10 only. So when you will multiply 0.8 with 10, your answer will be 8, right? So there are 8 electrons on the oil drop which will carry minus 1.282 into 10 raised to power minus 18 coulomb static charge.